Park. Could be a little rainy today. Here's where we are. What do you see, Bubba? What do you see, buddy? What are we gonna do? What do you see? We'll look for a parking space so we can go explore. Okay. We're gonna park right over here. Bubba. You ready to come out? Huh? We're here now. What's what?
What is this?
Oh, that's a button for your seat, huh? That releases the belt, the strap, and makes it looser. Right? You ready to come out?
Mm.
You want to go explore?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? I'll put you down? Here we go. Okay. Are you ready to go here? Is your hat on right? Let's see. Look at me. All right. Ready to go? What are you going to look for?
Butterflies.
Butterflies? What are we going to find here, huh?
Over there.
Okay. How you doing?
I'm going to the jungle.
Yep. All right. Let's go in the jungle, right?
I'm going over there.
Okay. What do you see, huh? Here, don't go in all the way in there. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, I.
Cause.
Hello.
There you go.
What is this big thing on the ground?
Okay. Are you exploring? Where are you going?
My stick.
Well, you got a stick? You always gotta have a stick, right?
Food in the water. Don't throw
Where are you
it.
going, huh? Hey, question. I got a question. Where are you going?
This one's
Show me.
broken.
Look at me. Look.
This one's broken.
Broken stick, huh? So where are you going? Are you going all the way for a walk in the jungle, huh?
I need more.
Listen. What do you hear? Look, is there a lizard here? Look. See the lizard?
What is this, Daddy?
What you got? Is that a seed? Okay. Keep that on the ground.
And this one too.
Okay. Come on, let's go. You gonna go some more?
And this one too. This one. Oh, look at this one.
What are you finding? Seeds?
They're beautiful. What
They're beautiful, huh?
What they dropping?
They probably came from one of the plants, right? What are seeds? Are they baby plants?
I dropped one.
Okay. All right. Want to walk some more and see what we can find? Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
I'll pick them up.
Hey,
Stay with this one.
let me see that.
Hold the bouncy one.
Here, you put it.
Hold the bouncy.
Hold the bouncy. Is it a bouncy seed? Let me see. Here, don't squish it. It could make a stain. No, no, no. Look, it make a stain on your shirt. Come on.
Oh.
Here, that's okay. Leave it on. It's yucky. It's yucky.
Like I was.
Look, what's that there? Is that a kitty cat? No, no, no. Don't. Careful, careful.
What's this?
There's a kitty cat there, huh? Look.
Get me up.
Lift you up? Are you tired of walking and running? Already? Okay, leave that alone, Bubba.
Yeah.
Here, put it down. Put it down.
I'm
Come on, put it down, Bubba.
Hey, what's this? What is this?
What you got there? Show me.
I want to go over.
No, that's not a path, Bubba. We don't go in there. Right? What do you think? What do you think about this place, huh? Hey, what do you think about this place, huh? What do you think? Hey, look at me. Look. Look at me. Look. Look here. Look.
What is this, Daddy?
What does it look like? What do you think? Is that a root?
Is this
Yeah, that's a root. I see a big spider. Hey, come here, look. You want to see a big spider? Hey, Kate, come here.
Oh, the big one. Oh, the big one.
You want me to hold that? What you collecting, huh?
Big.
Where'd your hat go? Where's your hat?
Hold these ones.
I can't hold all your sticks of your hat in your bag. Here, you gonna load me up here? What are you collecting? Firewood? Here, let's put a pile here. We can come back and get it. Look, put it right here. We can come back and get it, okay?
No.
You like that one?
The big one.
Okay, you need a camping stick? An exploring stick? Okay. Where are you going? Do you know where you're going? Where? Where are you going?
Jungle.
In the jungle?
Yes, Daddy. They want this.
Okay. Okay, throw them down. Put them down. Yeah, put it down. Come on.
What's this red thing?
Hey, little berries from the tree. Probably the tree around us here. Okay, come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's keep going.
Oh, this one.
Hold that one. That's yucky. I don't want to hold that one. You put it down, we'll come back and get it. Okay, it's got a lot of dirt on it, right? A little spot of sunshine. Are you in the sunshine now? Huh? Do you like that? Otherwise, is it hot in here or is it cool in here? Huh? Hey.
I want to bring this one.
You want to bring that stick? Is it hot in here? Is it cool in here?
This one.
Huh?
This one's kind of like one.
That's kind of yucky. That stick is yucky, right? It's got dirt on it. You put it down?
No. And you hold. Okay. Hold the big one.
Hold the big one?
Hold it.
Why don't you put it down? Put it down here, right here, and we'll come back and get it. We'll get it on the way back.
No, you get it.
I don't want to get it. What do you got there?
A bear.
Show me.
I got the yellow thing.
Show me. What is it?
A yellow thing.
A little thing?
And this is a big thing.
Okay, a little thing and a big thing? Okay.
What's this? I'm gonna go to a lake.
You want to go to a lake?
I'm running.
Is that a clearing out there? Is it an opening? Is it a field? What'd you find? What'd you find? Is it a grassy field? Huh? Are you tired? What do you say? Hey. Hey.
Hi, guys.
Who are you saying hello to, huh?
To people.
People? Hello, anyone in there?
This.
Anyone in there? Hello? What do you think of that, huh? What do you think, huh? You need a break? You need a break? You need some water?
What's this, Daddy?
I don't know. What do you think it is? What is it?
This is what. This is.
Careful.
Dad? Hello. Hello.
You got an ant on there? Huh? Wipe it off, Bubba. Yeah, wipe it off the ants. See, yeah, there's a lot of ants there, right? See all the little ants? Yeah, here, wipe him off. He's okay. Not a red ant. Okay, come on. What do you want to do? You want to go back? You want to get a water or juice? Huh?
Oh, no.
Here, don't put your hand there. Look, the ants are going to get on your hand again, right? Yeah, wipe it off. It's okay. It's a black ant. It's okay. There you go. Right? Okay? Does it tickle?
What's this one that I found? What's this? What's this?
What does it look like, huh?
A seashell.
Seashell, huh? What is this? Do you know what this is? What do you think it is? What does it look like?
A circle.
It's a circle? It's a circle shape. It spins, right? Is it a basket? That's for frisbee golf.
Here. Go.
Go? Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I on top of the rock?
No, wait. What's this, Daddy? Daddy. They lie only one up.
What do you want? You want some water?
I don't want to.
You want up?
I'm itchy.
You want juice? You're itchy. You want a snack? Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Let's wipe off the hands. Oh my
And
God.
the arm.
And the arm, huh? Let me see the other hand. Okay, yeah. There's a lot of dirt on there from those dirty sticks, right? And picking up the dirt, right? Huh? Are you sweating like Daddy is? Look at that, huh? Here, come here. Let me see. Let me see the other hand. Something itchy on your ankle? Here. Let me see. Okay, come here. Let's see the hand. Here, whoa, careful. Let me see the other hand. Let's make sure the hand is clean. All right, you're all wiped off now. You're having some snacks. Here, let me hold the snacks. Here, we don't want to spill them all over the trail, right? Here, come here. Come get some. Are your hands all clean now? We wiped them down? Okay. Hey, you want some juice or some water, huh? What? Oh, you want a picnic? Are we having a picnic here? Kind of like in the middle of the ground? In a grassy area? On an overcast day? Very humid? Okay. Do you want water or do you want juice? Okay, take a few. Don't take so many. There you go. Here, watch, I'm going to drop that little piece. You got it? You got it? Oh, shoot, it's on the ground. No, don't touch it now. It's yucky. Now it's yucky, okay?
Away.
Chew it here, huh? Let me give you what we got here. We got some, you want some juice? Here. Here, can you do this one? Here, it's cold. Want some cold juice? Here. There we go. Oh, you don't have to tilt it. Remember, it's a straw. Is that refreshing? Okay.
I need this right now.
You need some more of that? Hold on, let me help you with that.
I can do it.
I need to help administer those. Hey! Here, we need the top. You bring the lid over. Don't throw it away. Oh no.
Where is it?
Go get it. It's over there. Go get it. Okay? Bring it back here if you want snacks. Come here. It's over here. Right there. Pick it. Bring it here, okay, Bubba? Come on. Here we go. Want some more snacks? Here we go. Here, come have some more. You got an appetite? Are you hungry? Huh? You want water? You want juice? More. How does it go? Are you like a Cookie Monster? Yeah? So what did you see in the jungle? What did we see over there, huh? Do you like it? Did we explore? Do you want to go back again?
No, you know.
Where do you want to go?
Ow! Ow!
Where do we want to go, huh? Where do we want to go now?
Drum.
A drum? What's your head, buddy? No, 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 no. That's a good job.
I'm gonna do here.
Like a cymbal, a hi-hat, huh? What did you find there? Is there yucky water? Yuck. I don't see any mosquitoes in there. Then we get away from it. What you doing?
Mix it.
Are you mixing it up?
Mixing a stick.
You're mixing a stick? Show me. Show me. What kind of sound are you making, huh? Wow, good shot.
I did a great job. Good things into a water.
What are you dropping in there, huh? Tell me what you're doing. What you doing? Hey. What you doing? Hey, hey you, hey, 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 what you doing, huh?
I'm thinking.
Is it starting to rain now, huh? Oh no, we're getting dirty. It's raining, buddy. We better get going, huh? Ready? Hey, is it raining? What do you think? Is it raining? Huh?
I need.
Is it raining? You know what I see here? Look.
What is it?
Did you blow it and scare it away? Did you? How'd you do that? Show me. Hey, how'd you blow him? How'd you scare him away?
Where is he?
He's on the tree hiding somewhere. I think it's raining again. Come on, let's go.
I'm doing a hand on
What do we
it.
see here? This spider, huh?
Until it said on the bank a shadow to him.
Here, let me see if I can put. Here, don't disturb him. There he goes. He's running away.
Why? Go.
Okay, all right. Now he's got to build his web again. Okay.
Oh.
Hey, what do you want to eat now? Hey.
This.
What do you want to eat, huh?
I can't see on the button. See.
Careful. There, sit down and so we have a snack. You want this? Want some of that?
What's that green thing doing?
That's garbage. Okay, come on.
What's that?
Here, pay attention up here, up top. Look. Look at the snacks we got here, right? Did we wipe your hands already?
Yeah.
They're not perfect, but they're clean, right?
Okay.
Relatively. Okay, go ahead and have a snack.
What
What is that?
We're having a picnic.
You're telling the raccoon you're having a picnic? Backpack raccoon. You know the raccoons can carry rabies and they can smell the snacks. He probably smells the Cheez-It that we dropped. There's a stray cat in the back. Raccoon. The raccoon. Tell the raccoon we're having a picnic.
Raccoon, I'm having a picnic.
Does he look like a bandit with his mask on? Bandito, huh?
Who's that? What's that?
What'd you see there, Bubba?
What's that?
Okay. Let's be careful and cautious of this raccoon, huh? They get very socialized and they're not afraid of people. There he is.
What?
He knows we've got snacks and I'm sure he likes Cheez-Its, but shouldn't be feeding raccoons. Look, who's that in the bushes? Who's that? Did you see him? What was it? Yeah, what was that? Yeah, careful, that's a big rock. Hey, careful. Wow.
Wow.
Whoa. Careful, those are open-toed shoes, boy.
Look at this big rock.
Can you lift that one?
Yeah.
You can?
No.
You can do it. Is that a big one?
I think it's dead, yeah. Oh.
Be careful, hold on tight, okay?
Oh, even. Oh.
What you doing? Huh?
What's this, Daddy?
You got what a bunch of safety pins, huh?
What's this, Daddy?
Safety pin. You know that's a safety pin?
But this one's so big.
Never know what you'll find. Careful. Can you do it?
Ouch.
You okay? Watch out. It's a rough rock, right? You got a boo-boo? You're okay.
I got a boo-boo.
Are you okay? Can you do it? There we go. Another one.
Another one.
What are you doing? Are you rocking it?
This one? Wow. This one's... help me.
Another one.
Look at this. Oh, it's the same.
Are they all the same or they're all a little different?